Hello, little friends. Today, 20 yummy fruits will introduce themselves. Let's learn their names, colors, how to say them, and why they're so good for us.
First stop, the yummy red apple. Hi, I'm Apple. I'm spelled A-P-P-L-E. Apple. I'm red, pink, green, or yellow. I help keep your tummy full and your heart healthy. Here comes the orange. Bright, sweet, and full of sunshine. Hi, I'm Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. I'm round and orange in color. I'm full of vitamin C to keep you safe from getting sick. Look at the grapes, tiny and round. Bunches of sweetness that grow on the ground. Hi, I'm Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. I can be green, red, or purple. I keep your bones and heart strong. Here's a banana, yellow and bright. Peel it open for a tasty bite. Hello, friends. I'm Banana. I spelled B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. I'm yellow, long, and a little bit curved. Super easy to peel and eat. I give you energy to run, jump, and play all day. Now the pear, soft, green, and sweet. A juicy fruit that's fun to eat. Hi, friends. I'm Pear. I am spelled P-E-A-R. Pear. I'm green or yellow and shaped like a little bell. I'm sweet, juicy, and help your tummy feel happy and full. Big and juicy, green outside, red within. Watermelon makes us smile and grin. Hi there, I'm Watermelon. I'm spelled W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. I'm big, round, and green on the outside, but red and juicy inside with tiny black seeds. I help keep your body cool and full of water, especially on hot days. I'm super sweet, super fun, and super healthy. Persimmon is here, orange and sweet. A soft little fruit, so nice to eat. Hello, friends. I'm Persimmon. I am spelled P-E-R-S-I-M-M-O-N. Persimmon. I'm orange and round like a little tomato, but much sweeter. I help your eyes and heart stay strong and healthy. Fuzzy on the outside, green inside too. Kiwi is yummy and healthy for you. Hello, friends. I'm Kiwi. I'm spelled K-I-W-I. Kiwi. I'm brown and fuzzy outside, bright green with black seeds inside. I help your eyes and tummy stay healthy and happy. Pomegranate shines with red seeds so small. Crunchy and juicy, kids love them all. Hello, little friends. I'm Pomegranate. I am spelled P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate. I'm round and red, and inside I'm full of juicy ruby seeds. I help your blood stay strong and make your body healthy. Mango is golden, juicy, and bright, a tropical fruit that tastes just right. Hi, I'm Mango. I am spelled M-A-N-G-O. Mango, I'm yellow and sweet. I'm the king of fruits and make you strong and smart.
All right, my little superstars. So far, we've learned about 10 yummy, juicy fruits. And you did such a wonderful job remembering them. But guess what? There are even more amazing fruits waiting to meet you. Would you like to learn about more tasty, colourful fruits? Yes? Then let's go on our fruity adventure together. Eyes open, ears ready. Here we go.
Spiky outside, yellow inside. Pineapple is sweet with a tangy ride. Hi, I'm Pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. I'm yellow inside and spiky outside. I help you digest your food better. Peach is soft, fuzzy, and round. A sweet little fruit that's always around. Hi, I'm Peach. I am spelled P-E-A-C-H, Peach. I'm soft and pinkish orange. I help your eyes and skin stay healthy. Dragon fruit looks magical, pink and white. A fruit so special, it's a fun sight. Hello, friends. I'm Dragon Fruit. I spell D-R-A-G-O-N T. Dragon fruit. I'm pink on the outside with green spikes and white with black seeds inside. I help your skin glow and keep your tummy happy. Plum is purple, juicy, and sweet. A tiny fruit that's fun to eat. Hi friends, I'm Plum. I'm spelled P-L-U-M, plum. I'm small, round, and usually purple or red on the outside, with yellow or reddish flesh inside. I'm soft, juicy, and a little bit sweet. Sometimes a tiny bit sour. I help your tummy feel happy and help you go potty easily, so don't forget to give me a try. Strawberry red with tiny seeds, a berry that every child needs. Hi, my little friends. I'm Strawberry. I am spelled S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. I'm red with tiny yellow seeds and a green leafy hat. I help your skin glow and make you feel fresh and happy. Papaya is orange with black seeds inside, a tropical treat with a tasty bite wide. Hello, my little friends. I'm Papaya. I am spelled P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. I'm orange inside with shiny black seeds and green or yellow outside. I help your tummy feel great and make your skin glow. Blueberries are tiny, purple, and blue. Sweet little bites, healthy for you. Hello, I'm Blueberry. I am spelled B-L-U-E-B-E-R-R-Y. Blueberry, I'm tiny, round, and blue, and full of goodness. I make your brain sharp and help you learn and grow. Lychee is round with a bumpy skin, white and juicy sweetness within. Hello, friends. I'm Lychee. I'm spelled L-Y-C-H-E-E. Lychee. I'm small and round with a red bumpy skin outside and soft white fruit inside. I'm super juicy and sweet, just like a treat. I help keep your skin soft and glowing, and I give you lots of energy. Guava is green, soft, and light, a fruit that's tasty day or night. Hello, friends. I'm Guava. I'm spelled G-U-A-V-A. Guava. I'm green outside and pink or white inside, and super yummy. I help you stay strong and fight off germs with lots of vitamin C. Coconut is big with water, so sweet. Crack it open for a tropical treat. Hi, I'm Coconut. I'm spelled C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. I'm brown and hairy outside, with white yummy flesh and cool water inside. I give you energy and help keep you fresh and strong.
Wow, you all are super smart. You've already learned about 20 amazing, yummy fruits. Can you believe that? I'm so proud of you. But guess what? Our fruity adventure isn't over yet. There are still a few more special fruits waiting to say hello. Are you ready to meet them? Let's go, my clever little explorers.
Figs are small, purple, or green, a chewy fruit that's rarely seen. Hi, friends. I'm Fig. I'm spelled F-I-G. Fig. I'm small and round with purple or green skin and lots of tiny, crunchy seeds inside. I'm super sweet and chewy, like nature's candy. I help your tummy stay happy and full, and I give you fiber to grow strong and healthy. Lemon is yellow, sour, and bright. It makes juices taste just right. Hello, friends. I'm Lemon. I'm spelled as L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. I'm yellow and a little sour. I fight off germs and keep your body clean. Cherries are tiny, red, and sweet. 2 on a stem, a fun little treat. Hi, I'm Cherry. I am spelled C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. I'm small and red like a tiny ball. I help you sleep well and grow. Tangerine is juicy, easy to peel, a citrus fruit with a tasty meal. Hi, I'm Tangerine. I'm spelled T-A-N-G-E-R-I-N-E. Tangerine. I'm small, round, and orange, just like a tiny orange cousin. I'm super sweet and full of vitamin C to keep you strong and smiling. Starfruit is golden, shaped like a star, a shining fruit loved near and far. Hello, my little friends. I'm Starfruit. S-T-A-R-F-R-U-I-T. Starfruit. When you slice me, I look just like a star. I'm yellow and juicy, and I help you stay strong and fight off germs.
Wow! We met 25 amazing and colourful fruits today, each with their own shape, colour and superpower to help your body. They're all here to keep you strong, healthy and happy. So don't forget to eat your fruits every single day. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun, educational and motivational videos just for kids. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.